Best personal sauna. Number 1. Therasage Personal Sauna. Once again, Therasage has made the best portable infrared sauna even better, while continuing our mission to bring the highest quality products that actually heal to the market at affordable prices. The Thera 360TM, featuring TheraFusion infrared technology, has completely revolutionized personal health products with its patented infrared portable sauna. Featuring our proprietary exclusive natural earth element full spectrum infrared heating panels, with tourmaline gemstones to generate an abundance of negative ions, and bathe your body from every angle in gentle full spectrum infrared frequencies and negative ions, with no exposure to harmful EMFs. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Serene Life Home Personal Sauna. This portable steam sauna tent comes with a comfortable collar and a handheld remote control. Furthermore, using the remote control or the 3-liter steamer button, power and time can be easily adjusted. Portable steam saunas for home use may be able to meet your daily personal health needs. It would help with stress relief, detoxification, the removal of winter colds, and the treatment of insomnia. The portable sauna features a revolutionary portable design as well as a detachable and collapsible frame for easy folding, storage, and travel. A foldable steel wire skeleton and PVC bracket add portability and stability for your convenience. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. SmartMac Personal Sauna. 4 liters larger capability steam pot with power 1600 watts can definitely meet your needs. 16 gear adjustment, faster preheating. You can turn it on/off by the smart remote control or through the buttons on the body. Easy access. The double-headed zipper gives you access without difficulty, and the double pockets free you to free your hands. The special transparent window gives you an open view and can be opened directly to breathe fresh air when you feel uncomfortable. Detachable tent. Our portable steam sauna tent comes with a set of detachable frame for storage or traveling, so you can enjoy a spa experience no matter where you are. The pole is not like metal one, it won't get rusty, and much lighter. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Vivor Personal Sauna. From the body. Using it regularly or after exercise can promote metabolism, relieve overall muscle tension, and also contribute to improving cardiovascular health and enhancing beauty. 4-liter steam pot, with 9-level temperature adjustment. You can easily adjust the steam temperature according to your personal preferences and physical condition. Additionally, the anti-dry design ensures safety, allowing you to fully enjoy a personalized spa experience. The multifunctional handheld remote control offers temperature control within the range of 104 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit and intelligent timing settings from 1 to 120 minutes. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Voop Personal Sauna. The steam sauna tent is made of high-quality thermal insulation and waterproof fabric to prevent heat loss and is so easy to clean. The stronger PVC pipe frame is resistant to high temperature and corrosion. The sauna tent is highly sealed, with waterproof strip at the bottom of the tent. A comfortable chair and a remote control. The portable folding chair supports around 200 pounds. The steam pot has 1000 watts rated power, a capacity of 2 liters in the home sauna, and it can be used for 60 minutes after being filled up with water. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.